It's a rainy, nasty day outside, and I'm still tied to baby. Why do I call it baby? Well, think about old-time prison. When you were in prison, you were hooked up to a ball and chain. And when you needed to move around, you picked up the ball, you tucked it in the crook of your elbow, and you waddled along. It was called walking the baby. All prisoners learned how to do it way back when. Hello, baby. That's not why I'm making this video. I want to talk to you about this mass shooter down in Florida. Now, a lot of you probably haven't heard this yet. But as far back as September, the Phoebes knew this kid planned on being a mass shooter. He had stated so on somebody's YouTube channel. Now, the person's channel contacted the Phoebes and told them about it. He did a screen capture of the comment, and then he contacted YouTube, and then he had the comment removed from his channel. He did the right thing, and the Phoebes failed to follow through. They didn't recontact him again until the day of the shooting. Yeah, they contacted him when he contacted them. They talked to him, and they did nothing about it. So, as I stated to Canadian Prepper on his channel, and as I stated to Charlie Rock on his channel that I had done so to Canadian Prepper earlier in the day, we do not need more gun control of any kind. Gun control in this country is so phenomenally ridiculous. In like 20 of the states, you have to have a concealed carry permit to even buy a BB gun or a single-shot shotgun. Never mind talking about a handgun. You have to have a concealed carry permit to buy a long gun of any kind in 20 of the 50 states. And more are headed that way in short order. We don't need more gun control law. What we need, and I'm not picking on people with mental health issues now. I'm simply going to state it plain and simple. What we need is more nut control laws. Case in point, Columbine. There was a kid with mental issues doing the shooting. And then we had this shooting over here in Connecticut. Again, a known mental case with known violent tendencies. To get the guns to use at Sandy Hook, he told his mother, who had the guns in a locked case under her bed. She was trying to keep them safe away from him. Granted, her maneuvers weren't strong enough. Agreed. She had failed because her measures were not strong enough to keep the boy from getting to the guns. But she did try. It's not a gun control law we need. It is a nut control law that we need. And I call on our lawmakers to take this into consideration, as they are bound to be taking up gun control in the next month or so, and consider, here's another mentally challenged individual who made his intentions known months ago. Maybe what we need to do is have laws that chastise the Federal Bureau of Investigations for failing to take this kid to task, for failing to keep a better eye on him. They knew in September. So what is it I'm trying to say, boys and girls? I'm saying contact your lawmakers, your federal, state, and local law enforcement lawmakers, and tell them we're sick and tired of them infringing on our rights just because some nutcase gets his hands on a gun and goes and shooting places up. It's not the law-abiding citizens they need to control. It's the nutbags. Now you're going to say, Embrado, what's that beep, 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 beep? Baby is beeping at me, telling me air in the line. That's what that is. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to